Okay, Mickey, can you please pour the concrete here?
Sure.
Fill the hole with concrete.
Hello, Mickey.
Hiya, Poli.
Builder?
Oh, there.
You must be busy installing all the water pipes.
Yeah, we have to install
Hi.
three different
I'm
types.
so
That's why we got such an early start.
Sure. I know you're in a hurry, but please remember to be...
Mr. Builder, I'm done pouring.
Let's look. Hey, good job.
Thanks a lot.
All right, Dump and Poke are waiting for us, so let's get to the last construction site, Mickey.
Yeah.
Mr. Builder.
The dirt's filled in, right?
Yes. Now we just have to have the concrete poured.
Good job, you guys. All right, you can go, and Mickey and I will finish up here.
Thanks. See you around.
Mickey, pour some concrete here.
Okay. I'm all out of concrete. Oh, no.
You are? Well, then you go back and refill, and I'll just wait for you here.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Get to your destination as fast as you can.
I'm so excited!
Hi, guys.
Hi!
Tomorrow, go to Apple Street at 1 o'clock.
Apple Street at 1 o'clock.
Wait, you're sure that's right?
I'm absolutely sure.
Good morning, Mr. Builder.
Good morning, you guys.
Shovel all the soil with the excavator. Hi! I'm so excited! Move the box to the cargo bed. Adjust the angle of the cargo bed. Hi! I'm so excited!
We're almost done. And Max never showed up. Why didn't he make it here?
I'm sure he completely forgot again.
That's right.
What is that? It's a fire! 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 The entire forest is going to burn down! What do I do? Think, Max, think! I have to alert the rescue team!
The box is on fire. Put it out. Hi, hi! I'm so excited!
Somebody was camping here. They were very careless. It's important to make sure your embers are completely out.
You're right. It could have been bad. Lucky we had Max. His quick thinking may have saved the entire forest.
Yeah, good thinking, Max.
Good job, Max!
Helly's way helped you remember where you were. It's easier to remember when you group your thoughts together.
Thank you, everyone. I feel like I can remember everything from now on. It's really not that hard. I might even show up at the right place at the right time. Huh? I feel like I had something important to do today.
What do you think it was?
I don't remember.
What?
Take it from the beginning.